Hello and welcome back as we do a little more processing of the olives we harvested about 10 days ago. We say you should change the brine once a week. You should definitely shake them up every day for the first week to make sure any air bubbles are out. But yeah, a week, 10 days, see, things happen. 10 days. 10 days is good. But you do want to change the brine every so often because some of the components that make olives taste bitter comes out of the olives and into the brine, and you want to get rid of that bitterness and get it to be a more pleasing taste to your palate. I'm going to move these aside, and we're going to work with this one. And we already discussed salt, but a refresher, not the iodized, just the good old kosher salt. Not the Himalayan pink, it's full of iron. You don't want that in your olives. Well, I guess maybe, but it affect the flavor, and you don't want poor flavors. So 1 to 10, right? 1 cup of salt, 10 cups of water. Well, I don't have a 10-cup measuring cup. I've got a 4-cup measuring cup, right? It's 4 cups, 32 ounces, 1 quart. Well, the problem with that is, then you have to kind of do the math. And